Hello kids! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who will tell me what should I draw today? Yes, today I draw an emoji for you. This is very easy drawing. First of all, you draw a circle. You can draw a circle with compass. You can also draw a circle with plates or another round things. This is very easy to draw circle. After drawing a circle, then draw the hearts. I draw 3 hearts. You can draw the number of hearts of your own choice. Wow, that's great! My emoji is almost ready. Do you like the emoji? You know there are a lot of emoji. Some emoji are sad, some are happy, some are surprising, and some are wondering. These emojis are used while texting. I always use the emoji while texting. Do you like the emoji? Do you use this while texting? Let's coloring with me. You know it's like coloring so much. Who will tell me what is the color of emoji? Yes, its color is yellow. So use the yellow color. I like yellow color. Yellow is my favorite color. Do you like the yellow color? Emoji are always in yellow color. Use the yellow color in a smooth way. Wow, that's awesome. I enjoy a lot during coloring. Coloring is my hobby. Do you like coloring? Wow, yellow color looks so beautiful and awesome. Don't forget to color in the hearts. Hearts is in red color. Use the red color in the hearts. I also like red color. Do you like red color? See the contrast of yellow and red color looks so beautiful and awesome. My drawing is ready. Wow, my drawing looking so beautiful and awesome. I like this drawing so much. Do you like this drawing? You can draw this at your home.